Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect QuickBooks to PayPal. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in PayPal, just click on the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, the next step is to log in to your QuickBooks account. And once you are here, integrating QuickBooks with PayPal can offer several benefits for small businesses. Because number one, it will allow for seamless synchronization of transactions. This integration automates the process of importing PayPal sales, fees, and expenses directly into QuickBooks, saving time and reducing errors associated with manual data entry. And of course, by syncing PayPal transactions with QuickBooks, businesses can generate accurate financial reports because this integration provides a comprehensive view of all financial activities, enabling better decision-making and budgeting. So, there are multiple ways for you to connect QuickBooks to PayPal. Number one is in the Apps section. Go to the search bar and type in PayPal. And from here, as you can see, PayTracure can connect WooCommerce, Amazon, PayPal, Stripe, and a lot more. And all you have to do is just once you've searched for this one, hit enter. Alright? And from here, as you can see, this is the small overview. It's a powerful sync because not only it can sync ongoing historic Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and a lot more. It has a simple setup with intuitive UI, makes you get started in a single click, and organizes your sales and expenses cleanly with QuickBooks. All you have to do is just click on the Get App Now. What will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page wherein this integration automates the process of importing PayPal sales, fees, and expenses directly into QuickBooks, saving time and reducing errors associated with manual data entry. Now, if you're interested in doing that, all you have to do is just click on connect, and that's it. All right. Now, the next option is you need to go to your PayPal account, because from here, automating the PayPal to QuickBooks is very easy and will allow for better customer service. With accurate and up-to-date financial records, businesses can respond promptly to customer inquiries regarding transactions, refunds, and billing issues. Now, if you are here on their PayPal account, just hover to the wallet section. Click on it. Once you are here, just go to the link a card or bank. Click on that. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And from here, just follow everything, fill it up information, especially your QuickBooks account. And once you've done that, you're all set. Now, the third option is if you have an account in Zapier, you can create integrations between PayPal and QuickBooks Online to automate any workflow. And by following these commands, such as you're gonna be having a successful sales to create a refund, and get all these endless possibilities. All you gotta do is click on the orange button here to connect these apps. Once you've done that, you will be directed to a new page wherein you can rename this Zap into this one. So we're going to have an in-depth tutorial about this, but in summary, all you have to do is click on the PayPal. You need to choose an event. Say, for example, it's going to be triggered when all merchant transactions, regardless of status, trigger this. Click on that and click on continue. And the next step is go to the QuickBooks section right here. Of course, click on that and choose an event. Say it creates a new bill optionally tied to a customer with line item support. All right. So once you've done that, all you're going to do is click on enter. Authenticate these apps. You can sit back and relax because Zapier will do the work for you. Alright? Integrating QuickBooks with PayPal offers numerous advantages, including improved efficiency and a lot more, especially making it an essential tool for small businesses seeking to streamline their accounting processes. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.